Welcome to the video guide of store section on TradingBotLab. So let's move to my screen here. You can see I am on the store section. When you click on the store section, you will see a list of all available boards and their set files. So for example, here is a range breakout, hanging martingale, and all these are available here. And here on the top, you will see three main sections: the set file sections, which EA have set file, which have not. Okay, and here in the next section, my portfolio, and here you will see all the set files and boards you have purchased. You can use the coupon FIRST first 50 to get a 50% discount, and if you are going to buy after the 50 users, you can simply contact the support team, and from here you can read the description of all these boards. And if you want to download the range breakout, download externally. The range breakout EA is available for free on the MQL5 marketplace. So when you simply click on it, you will see the exact same board on the MQL5 marketplace, and from here you can download for free. It's a free board. So I will select add to the cart, and here if you apply FIRST first 50 and then apply, you will get a flat 50% discount, and now you need to pay 12.50 and go to secure checkout. You need to pay Binance Pay and then continue. You need to pay here, scan the code, QR code to pay with the Binance, and you need to pay exactly 11.64. You need to pay 11.64. By this amount we will do verification, and then I have transfer, and then okay, so please fill this field. You need to write here the transaction ID. I just put random number and then proceed. So once the order was saved, you can view my orders here. Okay, and for example, you want to see the live performance of the range breakout based on this set file, you can simply go to the lab, and here in the lab select the range breakout, and from here you will see the gold, etc. So here in the live sync, you will see the live performance of that set file on the $5,000 for now, and I will change this balance in the next few days. Okay, I hope you understand. If you still not understand, you can let me know in the comment section or create a ticket to our support team. We will help you as soon as possible. For now, that's it, and see you soon in the next video. Goodbye.